Hello everyone, I am Sidra and welcome to my channel. Today we are making chicken cheese balls, which is the best cheese loaded recipe for a snack or even for an appetizer. Here is the list of ingredients you will need for making this recipe. Let's get started. In a blender, add 200 grams boneless chicken, 2 small green chilies, half teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons fried onions, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ginger powder. You can also use ginger paste. Squeeze a few drops of lemon and add 1 teaspoon oil. Now blend them all into fine mince. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and let's go on to the next step. Take 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, add 1/4 teaspoon salt and sprinkle some mixed herbs. Combine them well. Now gradually add 1/4 cup water to it to make it into a fine paste. You can add more water if required because the mixture has to be slightly thick and not very thick. This has to be the consistency required for coating the balls. Now let's start coating them. Here I have mozzarella cheese cut into small cubes, breadcrumbs, flour paste, minced chicken batter. Grease your hands with some oil. Take a small scoop size batter, roll it and flatten it. Add 1 piece of cheese in the center and gently pack it in to a medium sized ball. Now dip it into the flour and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Repeat the same with the rest of the balls. You can also coat them twice with flour and breadcrumbs if you want a thick coating. Keep them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Now heat 2 cups of oil in a frying pan. Gently drop 4 to 5 balls into the hot oil. Fry them on medium flame until they are golden. Do not fry them on fast flame, otherwise the chicken will remain raw inside. Keep turning them in between. Now transfer them to a plate lined with a paper towel to soak extra oil. Cheesy chicken balls are ready to be served with a dip of your choice. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.